today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Bluesky app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. Then you come to accept here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on following feed preferences, just click on it. Then you go down, just come here to show course posts, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's when it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. Thank you for your watching.